Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sky of a video on CapCut PC. So select your video, like any video you want, and select another video of like a sky or anything that you want really for the sky. I want to sneeze really badly, sorry. I'm just going to select this one as the sky. It's fine, whatever. Go to mask and select split, and you're just going to feather this out a little bit. And you're also going to go back to basic and just select like an overlay. And here, if you want the subject to be like on top, well, it looks like it's already on top, but if you want it to be more like on top, just go to cutout and auto cutout to create this like really cool sky effect. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!